Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to open Google search results in new tab. So first thing is just simply, of course, go to google.com, and then now on the bottom right corner, you should be able to see here settings. And now here on the settings, just simply go for search settings. Now here guys, just simply go for other settings. And as you can see, you will have your results in a new window. So toggle this on. After that, go to google.com again. And let's say I'm going to search our channel just for an example. And after that, guys, as you can see, when I try to click on a site, it will redirect us to another tab. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And thanks for watching.